MSTI T450 Installation Tutorial. List of accessories: front lock, rear lock, rubber pad, battery, tail ruler, square pole, sleeve, bamboo joint screw, spring, lock core, mechanical key, card, data cable, plug, accessory box, plug. Install the lock cylinder. When installing the lock cylinder, the tail ruler is cut according to the thickness of the door. We're going to crop. Reserve length to door 151 cm. Align the screw with the side screw hole and screw it in. Fixed lock cylinder. If the slab screw is too long, we're going to crop. The reserved length does not exceed the edge of the outdoor door. Insert square rod. Short inward facing installation. If the square pole is too long, we're going to crop. Reserve 3/4 cm to the door. The tail ruler should be cut according to the thickness of the door. Install the tail ruler on the snake knob at the lower end of the rear lock. Insert opening pin. Fix the tail ruler. Fold the opener pin. Remove all the rear lock screws. Remove base plate. Assemble the rubber pad with the base plate. Align the casing to the front lock fixing hole position. Then tighten it all with pliers. Install the front lock. Install base plate. Pay attention to whether the front lock and base plate are perpendicular to the door edge, and these three things are very important to center. Screw on the fixing screws first. Don't tighten it too tightly. Then adjust the vertical center. The bottom is fixed on one side with self-tapping screws. Make sure they are all vertically centered and then tighten the screws again. Insert square rod. Connect the rear lock to the front lock wire. Stuff excess wires into the crack of the door. Put in the spring. And these three things are very important to center. After confirming the alignment is centered, install the rear lock. Secure the rear lock with screws. Install the battery. Installation screen. Test lock.